path is nearly clear. So run! I've heard their angry shouts. They'll kill me. What's stopping me with crazy doubts? What magnet draws me off my course? The specter of a man I barely met. His spirit haunts me with a shadow of dark regret. And here am I, a man of strength, with feelings I don't understand. To think his life should even matter, it counters the law of the land. Who made these rules? They're not written in stone, taught in the schools where they keep us apart. Thou shalt not kill, that's what's written in stone, and everything else has been printed inside the heart. These rules I knew are steeped in fog. I've lost my guiding stars, save one. I must repair the lives I've broken. I must correct what I have done.
Seriously? You brought me back to bury me here? I was hoping for a nice, peaceful plot under the orange groves. You call this camp a home? It stinks. Sewage running through the streets. Disgusting. Please bury me without my feet. You'll never remove the smell. This is no home, this is hell. And here am I, a man who thinking how not to explode. I thought the path to change was peaceful, but soldiers keep blocking the road. Is this our fate? Is it written in stone? Always to wait, and for how many years? Injustice goes on. Is it written in stone? I'm fearing the dawn will be written in blood and tears. My father is a man who waits. My angry cousin grabs a gun. I've never been a man of action, but something drastic must be done. Waiting so long, is it written in stone? Righting or wrong, is the concept so strange? Where next to go, that's not written in stone. All that I know is some writing has got to change. Is this our fate? Is it written in stone? Destined to hate and succumb to our fears. Fighting goes on. Is it written in stone? I'm fearing the dawn will be written in blood.
Leave me alone already!
First you shoot me and now you shove me.
What more do you want from me, Ismail?
How about Jerusalem? Since you asked.
Still a jester. Here. I brought your ID card.
My card? You have it? Keep it.
You don't want it?
It's a bad picture.
But you have to have it.
No, I don't.
You have no identity without it.
I don't want your dog tag.
It's part of the rules.
Rules.
For God's sake, just take it. It's required. Stop! Listen to me. Barking like a sergeant.
Why did you shoot me?
I was afraid. I thought you were threatening me. When one of your people raises a stone, I don't just see a stone. I see a sea of hostile faces that stretches from here to Baghdad to Tripoli. I see the whole history of our people. I see 5 wars. I see my brother David being killed by one of you. I see the Holocaust.
Every Israeli, same story. I'm tired of hearing about your suffering and your pain. Enough already. I didn't send your people to a concentration camp.
I never said you did.
No, but you punished me for it. Hey, look around you. What do you see? A camp. Surrounded by watchtowers and barbed wire. Do you see the rubble? Huh? That's from our homes that you demolish. Do you smell the sewage? It's because our taxes go to pay for your military police. And if we violate your rules that you make, because we have no citizenship, no right to vote, you shoot us in the head. You want me to feel sorry for you? I don't care about your Holocaust!